yung Blackwater can compete with the other teams, not just
Yes.
not just a perennial cellar dweller lagi, or
Upon your entry, parang nagkaroon ng I mean, yung change kasi parang you emphasize parang winning culture dun sa once na you entered the team. So ano lang yung masabi mo sa pag-respond nila, and based on the record, coach, mukhang nagre-respond sila.
I'm just happy na nagre-response yung mga kids, yung mga boys, ang sabi ko lang sa kanila is I will give you the much needed time for you to show how you play, and to be very successful in this league. Kailangan talaga every game talagang todo all out tayo. And we cannot siguro simply just roll over and let them win, kasi for the past how many years already ganun na yung nangyayari sa atin. So and management expect something better or something different. So I'm just nagpapasalamat din ako sa management na nabigyan ako ng opportunity na to, especially kay Boss Giseldo. And for a fact that yung reaction ng mga boys kami na pagpasok ko medyo maganda. So gusto lang namin pagpatuloy sana, and sana lang na makuha namin yung sabi nga namin na yung Blackwater can compete with the other teams, not just not just a perennial cellar dweller lagi, or and for a fact na meron naman pala kaya namin ma-improve, so we try to do that always.
Coach, siyempre lahat naman ng team gusto mag-champion, but ano yung gauge mo of success for this conference? Is it a playoff berth or
Siyempre,
maybe Sige, coach, go ahead.
Siyempre playoff berth. One thing is we go slowly muna, not a big leap agad. It's sana nga matuloy-tuloy,
Yes.
when we get into the quarterfinals would be a way of going into the semis. That'd be the best part of it, and for the first time nasa semis ang Blackwater. So in a way, again, sabi nga namin, yung prospective look para sa amin is sana differently na hindi lang kami laging lalamang, or pagdating ng fourth quarter biglang mawawala. Sana dire-diretso yung look sa amin na to be different, na hindi na kami basta-basta ngayon. Hindi naman basta-basta. I mean, what I mean is hindi kami bibigay agad. Yun lang. So lalaban kami hanggang dulo. And that's a great feeling already from my point. And so sana rin sa management stand na we could go a long way for that.